Mother's Lesson on Rain. From Course in Divinity and General Collectanea of Items by and about Mary Baker Eddy. The Blue Book. The gentle clouds and the gentle rain fall upon the just and the unjust. No electricity, no thunder and lightning, no cyclone, no tornado, no destruction, for the dear Father's face looks out from the clouds in love and in harmony. No malice and no hatred, for there is nothing to interfere with his government in love. There shall be the gentle and beautiful rain upon the earth to water the whole face of the earth. Do not take up, there is no thunder and lightning. Know that God governs the elements, and there is nothing destructive or harmful. God sends the rain that watereth the earth. Human will cannot come in and govern. You would not argue diphtheria if the case was consumption. Neither do you argue thunder and lightning when it is sin, malice. If thunder and lightning come, then know forces are of God and are not destructive. If too much rain, realize harmony. If drought, no drought.